Why does your scanner show the P0870 engine code? What does it mean? P0870 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch C circuit. This engine code indicates that is triggered when the PCM detects that the transmission fluid pressure is outside the manufacturer's specified range. This is considered a serious code because if left unaddressed, it can lead to major transmission damage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Faulty TFPS sensor. Electrical or wiring problems. Internal transmission issues. Powertrain control module (PCM) issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge and Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.